Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording in order to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they will disappear. In order to reset the settings, simply enter the settings themselves. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Defaults and simply confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got the very first evidence, and because this is the thing your camera asks you, so the location, when you're opening for the very first time. So here we've got the evidence, and another one, we do not have the green lines applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.